QR stands for Quick Response. While they may look simple, QR codes are capable of storing lots of data, but no matter how much they contain when scanned, the QR code should allow the user to access information instantly, hence why it's called the Quick Response code. In this video, I'll show you how to scan QR code using your Android phone. First, go to Play Store and install the app, QR Scanner. Once done, open the QR code reader on your phone. Hold your device and scan over QR code, printed or screenshot, so that it's clearly visible within your phone screen. In my case, I'm scanning the QR code of the teacher's connectivity load with the Department of Education. By then, the phone automatically scans the code. Press open link and presto!